today we will be doing a what's in my makeup pouch. So actually, this is one of the most requested pag nagla-live kami, yung makeup products ko and yung skincare ko. But we're going to put a twist doon. So, Parvit will choose items from my makeup pouch and then titingnan natin if mahuhulaan niya kung alin, kung ano ba yon.
Kinakabahan na ako Ano kaya ang unang mapipili natin? Lip tint. Lip tint. Tama?
Kasi alam mo to But yeah, this is from Roman. This is in the shade 06 Fig Fig and this is their Juicy Lasting Tint. So, yan. So, tama siya, guys. Pero feeling ko nandaya na siya.
Ano ba nandaya?
Okay. But you can't read the labels, ha?
Yes,
Okay, go.
yes. I'm not reading naman eh. But brush?
Sige, go.
Is it something related
brush
na brush? For makeup.
Real Techniques 200. This is my blush. Blush for my blush on. So yeah, ako ito yung gusto kong ginagamit. Yung iba kasi parang mas gusto nila yung mas fluffy, but this one.
So hindi ko nakuha.
So,
Malapit na. Sa 1.5 ang ating point ko doon, guys. Ito.
Oh, you can't read. Stop reading. Oh, what do you think this is?
Para sa eyelashes?
No, mali. So this is from MAC Cosmetics. And this is eyebrow tint. So ayan guys, this is in the shade
eyebrows.
Yeah, this
Malapit
is yung
na
eyebrow
ako.
gel, Big Boost Fiber Gel from MAC Cosmetics.
Sayang, lapit na natin, guys.
Wala mo siya ibang alam guys, kung hindi lipstick.
Hanap tayo ng ito ba?
Sige.
Foundation?
No! This is primer. So this is my favorite primer. This is the Professional Primer from Benefit Cosmetics. So yan. Primer. Oh, sige, next.
Dinadaya mo.
Uy, hindi
Face powder.
4.
Makeup powder.
Sige, tanggapin natin yan.
Tama?
But this is the Laura Mercier setting powder.
Setting powder.
Yes, this is the setting powder. And ito yung non-comedogenic version nung famous nila na setting powder. So yeah, this is from Laura Mercier. So yeah.
Yes, sir.
Gusto ko yung, alam nyo guys, yung karamihan dito, siya yung bumili. Hindi niya alam kung ano yan.
Ito.
Okay, ano yan.
Foundation.
No! Concealer! So this
kakulay mo kasi labi, oh.
Yeah, kaya nga concealer. Kailangan kakulay din. Or mas lighter.
Saan ba ginagamit yan?
Pang alis ang eye box, pimple marks.
Okay.
So yan. So this is the NARS concealer, Radiant Concealer, and this is in the shade Creme Brulee. So this is my favorite concealer.
Hindi ba siya pwede ma-consider foundation?
Hindi, magkaiba yun. Go.
Kanina ko hinahanap si foundation, ah. Ito. Ano to?
Huwag mo basahin. Oh, what's this?
Malaki masyado eh.
What's
Yung
this?
posible
Go.
lipstick yan. So, ano kaya yan?
Huwag ka magbasa. Go. Ano to?
Makeup settler? Parang pang-set ng ganun? Di ba may sinispray kayo?
No! This is for my eyelash. So, this is my mascara.
Nabaliktad ko siya kanina.
Is it a go-to mascara ko? This is from Maybelline and this is the Lash Sensational Mascara. So, yeah. Okay, more?
Parang wala pang point, ah. Ito. Same. Face mascara.
Anong face mascara? Mali! Eyelash mascara.
Eyelash din yan, di ba?
Oo, lash, not face. Mali.
Okay. Hindi
Tatanggapin
tama.
nyo yun ba yun, guys? But this is also
yun.
from Maybelline. So, naubos na kasi yung heroin make ko, pero this is my alternative, yung Maybelline na mga mascara. Kasi
Now
it
I
works
know.
best for me. Hindi kasi ako marunong maglagay ng mga falsies or cluster lashes. But yeah, this is from Maybelline also. Maybelline, baka naman. Ano yes, mali ka doon.
Ay, mali ba?
Sabi mo face mascara.
Ito na pang lipstick na nakuha, guys.
Alam mo.
Ito,
Okay, what's this?
lipstick.
Yeah, this is from Colourpop. In the shade Verde Valley Matte. So, Colourpop to, guys.
Yes, sir.
Tumama
Nakuha
siya.
natin.
Go.
Hanap tayo. Ito, face powder din. Dito.
No! This is the foundation! So, this is my
Foundation
favorite.
yan?
Yes, this is my favorite powder foundation from Studio MAC. This is the fix. And it's in the shade NC25.
Ang iniisip mo yung ginaganon-ganon, tapos ginaganon-ganon.
No, that's blush on.
Ah.
Sige, next.
Partida, may dalawang sisters pa ako na ito. Di ko talaga alam.
Okay, what's this? Oh,
Ba't tinatago
this?
mo?
Kasi may labels eh.
Ah, may label. Ano
Okay.
kaya to?
What's this?
Hirap naman.
Guess.
Limited lang vocabularies ko, guys.
Go.
Ano kaya to? Lipstick?
No, this is a lip tint from Timeforia. So
Lip
this is my
tint.
fave.
Sayang.
And this is in the shade Ruby
Kanina
on
pa ako
08.
malapit eh.
So yeah.
Sabi ko na eh.
By the way, guys, gusto kong mag-makeup class and I'm actually going to enroll sa makeup class. Para hindi basic lang yung alam ko. Okay, what's that?
Ano tang lipstick?
No!
100... Ha?
Ano,
Hindi
wala na-
lipstick?
No!
Tingnan ko nga.
Hindi nga! When we're going sa Dubai, ikaw nag-buy na. Okay,
Ang
so...
ganda packaging niya, pang lipstick yan eh.
So this is my favorite blush. I'm actually wearing it right now. This is my favorite cream liquid blush. And this is from NARS. So, nakikita niyo yung mga pattern ng mga favorite brands ko. But this is in the shade Orgasm. And this one, ito yung famous blush on nila. Pero this is the non-comedogenic version also. If you're wondering bakit non-comedogenic yung products ko, because acne prone ako. So, yeah, this one, NARS. Lipstick ka pa dyan.
Nabodo lang sa packaging, guys. Lip tint.
Yeah, correct. So this is my favorite water
Red
candy
kasi eh.
tint from I think the SEM. So this is in the shade Cherry.
Ang ganda ng packaging, ah.
Yeah, this is what I'm wearing right now. Go, auntie na lang yan.
Parang dami ko pa nga nakakuha. Ano to? Ano to, guys? Ito kahaba, pang eyebrows ulit.
No, this is from O2. O2O, I think. I'm not sure. And this is the winged eyeliner stamp. So, hindi kasi ako marunong mag-eyeliner, guys. So,
Dito?
gusto ko yung ini-stamp ko lang. No. Here.
Ay, hindi to.
Yun nalalagay here. Yeah. So,
Okay.
what else?
Nakalimutan ko may eyeliner pala. Ito.
What's that?
Ano
Sige,
to?
go.
Ito, walang label kaya di mo hinahawakan.
Go. What's
So, ito kahaba. Eyeliner din.
No, this is eyeshadow na glitter siya, guys.
Ang daming makeup,
So,
ah.
eyeshadow. Kasi hindi ako marunong maglagay ng hindi glitter. And this is from Dolly Wink. I think I got this sa Japan na nag-Don Quixote tayo. Yeah. Come on, faster.
Ito para sa eyebrows.
Correct. So, this one is
Yes.
from Detail Cosmetics. This is their super fine liner. And this is in the shade Cappuccino. And eto, kasi before, as you can see, may color yung hair ko. So, I needed lighter shades.
Nakakuha tayo, ah. Nakakuha kami, ah. Oh, ano to?
Para saan?
Eyebrows?
Yes.
Tama.
So, another
Ang galing manghula,
eyebrow
guys.
liner. And this is from Lemon Me. I got this when I was in Thailand last year. Go.
Ito pang ng eyelashes, pang ayos, pang curl.
Oh my God!
Tama?
Tama! Yes. So, this is my favorite lash curler. This is from Shiseido. I also got this sa Japan. I think sa Don Quixote also. Parang nung nanood kami ng Era Store. But yeah.
Madami na tayo, naka
Excuse
2 streaks na tayo, guys. Lipstick. This time hindi na magkakamali.
Kanina pa niya ito iniintay. But yeah, this is one of my favorite lipsticks. So, I really love bullet lipsticks from MAC. MAC Cosmetics. Baka naman.
Talagang parang bullet nga talaga siya, guys. Oh.
Yeah, so this is in the shade Viva Glam and matte to. So, I love red. Kasi since I have pale skin, gusto ko talaga red to make me look
Which is bagay sa yung red.
Thank you. Okay. Onti na lang, guys.
Lipstick.
Yes. So also from MAC, this is sobrang nag-trending to. This is in the
Yes,
shade
sir.
Velvet Teddy. And hindi ko pa siya masyadong gamit, guys, as you can see. Very,
Bagong-bago
very
pa.
new.
Fresh.
Yeah. Kasi sometimes when I want something neutral lang. Kaya lang kasi minsan sinasabi ni Perbs, I look sick pag neutral. So,
Tama ako. Ito na yung
what's
pang
this?
ganto-ganto.
Oh, what do you call it?
Blush on.
Ah!
Tama?
Yes! So this is my favorite powder blush. It's also from MAC and this is the Happy Go Rosy na blush. Super, super fave, super long lasting, especially if you have oily skin like me. This will be your best friend.
Dami na tayong nakukuha.
Okay, last two.
Ito, ano to?
Now, what's that?
Ang ganyan yung packaging niyan. Parang halatang cream siya. Na parang nilalagay dito sa face siguro.
No, mali.
Makeup settler, parang gano'n?
No! So this is the Super Lock Brow Setting Gel. So this is for eyebrows. And this is from Maybelline. So ayan guys. So eyebrow gel. And this one I think sa lahat ng na-try ko na eyebrow gel, nag-hold siya longer than other eyebrow gel
I'm
na na-try
sad.
ko.
Yung streak ko nasira. Parang wala na. Isa na ba to?
Yeah, meron pa. Yeah. Okay, what's this?
Ganyan kahaba. Pang eyebrows yan.
Yes.
Tama?
Tama. So this is from K Palette, guys. And this is the One Day Tattoo eyebrow gel also. This one may color siya kasi nung time na blonde yung hair ko, kailangan light din yung eyebrows. So yeah, correct. But we have bonus round.
Ha?
Okay, so yes.
Hindi ako weird dyan.
Okay, so this one first. What's this?
Pang spray sa face.
4?
Para sa makeup, para mag-set.
No! Wrong!
Pang tanggal?
So this is from MAC also. This is the Prep Plus Prime. This is what you've used before maglagay ng makeup to hydrate and refresh your skin.
Kala ko para magstay lang siya.
Hindi.
Naririnig ko lang na may bagay na ganito
So,
para wala magstay.
So skin refresher siya and this is my favorite. Dito, ito din yung ginagamit ko to damp my brushes and then my beauty blender also. So this is a skin refresher from MAC also.
Kaya ko siya nalaman na spray guys dahil dito.
Last and not least, this one.
Lotion?
No.
Hindi lotion.
I'll give you one more try.
Kung hindi lotion yan, hindi ko talaga alam. Spray din yan. Clue, spray. Pang makeup set na yan?
Yes!
Nakuha ko na.
So, kanina pa siya makeup setter. So, ito na. So, my favorite makeup setter or setting spray is from the One Size. And this is the Until Dawn setting spray. So, this one I got this from Sephora. And this is my favorite kasi oily skin ako. So, hindi talaga naglalast minsan yung makeup sa akin. So, I need a good setting spray. So, this is my setting spray.
Nahuli guys.
So yeah guys, that's it. Maybe we'll do another version naman ng skincare ko para dun sa mga nagtatanong during
Madami
the
ako
live.
nakuha guys ha. Madami nakuha.
So medyo madami siya nakuha. Nakaka-proud kasi meron siyang mga sisters also who loves makeup. But yeah, it's everything guys. So as you can see, sobrang luwag nito. Happy skin. Baka naman. But yeah guys, I hope you like this video. And yeah, I hope nag-enjoy kayo. Bye-bye!